Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With the Rio de Janeiro and Madeira carnivals coming up, this month's series is all about carnival makeup. Today we're creating a yellow and green eye look with a gold glitter winged liner. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the finished look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. To begin, I'll use the white shade from this Revolution palette, applying it under the brow with a short brush. Next, I'll take this yellow from another Revolution palette and use a big eyeshadow brush to create a smooth transition into the white. Using a buffing motion, I'll take it to the end of the brow to form a V edge. Following that, I'll use a lime green shade, applying it with a flat brush to the inner corner of the eye. I'll now take this dark green with a smaller brush, applying it lower than the first colour with a similar technique and a swiping motion to create a V shape in the outer corner, blending it upwards into the yellow for a seamless transition. I'll then go under the lash line and add more product to the outer corner of the eye. I'm now going to use a pencil brush under the lower lash line to intensify the colour. I'll then use the same eyeshadow brush to buff this out. I'm now going to take this gold shimmer from the first palette and apply it across the inner eyelid using a flat brush. Next, with a liner brush, I'll use the green glitter from this mini Revolution palette and apply it to the inner corner of the eye. To define the eyes, I'll fill the waterline with black eyeliner, then use black eyeshadow with a liner brush to buff this into the lower lash line. Then I'll use a short brush to buff this out for depth. I'll apply tape from the lower lash line and use glitter gel to form a winged liner shape, then apply gold glitter onto the gel. Use a tissue to catch the fallout. I'll then use a black liquid liner to create a clean winged liner before removing the tape. I'll finish the eyes with mascara and false lashes. For the face, I'll contour with this brush, then use a fan brush on the nose for precision. I'll then use a large rounded brush for blush. I'll highlight the cheekbones with this brush and then use a little of the gold eyeshadow over the top for that extra pop of sparkle. To complete the look, I'll use a pale nude brown lip liner and a MAC lipstick in the shade called Fresh Brew. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Please share my content to help spread the word and reach anyone who might benefit from these tutorials and who may want to do a collaboration. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.